So we're getting towards the end of the year. Motivation's real low for kids. Student effort is real low. So you gotta spice it up a little bit. Throw them a little bit of an extra razzle-dazzle kind of thing in order to get them to do what you want. Today, I'm gonna create a game on Google Slides where they have to click through and collect clues to win at the end. Let's go. Before I get too excited though, don't forget to hit that like button down below and please subscribe. It really does help my channel out. Also, if you are running real low on motivation and you need help surviving just like your kids, go ahead and check out last week's video. Okay, so I got this presentation from Slides Go. It's a free download. I got the Google Slides version and I'm gonna tweak this just because it looks more interesting than a regular Google Slides presentation, and we're going for fancy here, but not a ton of effort. So I have this. So I'm doing one on valence electrons, and we're gonna do like a secret message kind of thing. So directions. Go through each slide and identify the number of valence electrons to find the correct letter and spell out the secret message. Very simple here. Nothing crazy. All right, so what slide do I like out of these? Ooh, I like that because I can number the questions then. All right, so we'll go with this one. Freaking love these size guides here. So you see the two blue ones? That tells me that they're evenly spaced. The red one tells me they're all level. I freaking love it. Honestly, Google Slides thinks of so many things that are on point. What we do from here, obviously we're gonna change these numbers. So then what we do is we link these things. So I've done some formatting and I've kind of like made the templates. So now I just have to make a bunch of them and then I have to go and link them all. So here's my title. Can you find the secret message? Directions. So identify the number of valence electrons to find the correct letter and number. So I've decided what the message is. It's gonna be my puppy Bruno, and then at the end, there's gonna be a little picture of little baby Bruno and it's gonna be super cute. Okay, so we go through what a valence electron is, how to find it. I need to put the little website that we've been using here. What is it called? I like it because you can click on things and it'll bring it up nice and big in that corner. Nice and fun. Anyway, so we'll go back to hydrogen, copy that link, put it here. Where's that first question at? This one, let me show you how to link and then you can just watch the montage of me create all these. So you click on the object, then you can go link, slides in this presentation, find the slide you want, hit apply. Okay, if you click on the inside and you get the cursor, it's gonna do link and then it's gonna think you wanna add it as text. So then if you pick a slide in the presentation, it's gonna add up all this junk and like that's not what you want. So you gotta click the box itself, no cursor, in order to link it without all that gunky text. So, box, link, slides in this presentation, slide 6 for incorrect, apply. Then I can copy, ready? Link, There we go. So then, if I went to present, I click this box, it tells me incorrect, please try again. And then I have to link this go back box to that other question. So where's my incorrect? This box has gotta be, Control K is the shortcut, by the way. Slides in the presentation, slide 4, apply. All right, and we're gonna duplicate this slide. Here we go, and we're gonna change number to 2, and we're gonna make this nitrogen, and make this, all right, so then this will link to slide 7. Okay, so let me show you how this looks. Can you find the secret message? Directions. Go through the slides, identify the number. There are 12 letters. Valence electrons. Let's go helium. Let's say 1, incorrect, go back. 2, correct, keep going. And then you just play all the way through. Okay, so what I did is I put like a chopped up version of the periodic table on the slide so that they don't have to like flip back and forth and then like exit the PowerPoint and go back in. Especially because the game works best when they are in presentation mode versus like flipping out and in like I am right now. So this way they don't have to do that. Also, the letters are big enough here that when I hit present, they should be easy enough to read. Yeah, like this is probably about like 20 font on the little periodic table here. So this should be able to be read by most of my students. And honestly, the thing I cut out was the transition metals in the middle, which is kind of too complicated for middle school anyway. So this will work out just fine. I'm gonna duplicate this slide so then I always have that table on there and it'll just make everything easier. So I got all of my examples in there. Now I just gotta link stuff. Alright, so this is the final product. So they go through, go back, and it plays all the way through, and it gives them that number on the screen. Here, N11, write it down, keep going, and then it goes all the way to the end. Kids will put their little secret message in the box and it'll spell My Puppy Bruno, and then it's a little picture of Bruno and he's a little baby Rottweiler puppy. Nice little fun thing at the end. Nothing crazy, but fun and cute nonetheless. Again, how I did it is each one I went through, I clicked on that box and I linked it. So edit link, slides in this presentation next, or whatever it was, and I linked every one of these boxes to make them a button. So this one will link to the correct button, the rest will link to the incorrect. The incorrect takes them back to the question that they were on until they keep guessing and getting it right. Something simple like this where they just need a lot of practice, it's a great time for this kind of game activity. That'll do it for this week's video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up below and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.